As teachers, we always look for resources that can make our classroom interesting. Now, I'm going to show you one of that resource that we've developed for maths at NumberNagar. We call it NumberNagar Clarity Kit. It has 26 components with which you can do around 200 plus activities covering concepts that are as basic as counting all the way up to probability and permutation and combination, right? So let me introduce to you the magical Pandora's box that you can have in your classroom, in your staff room, and then explore. Now what we've done with this, we've tested it with students, teachers, and parents, and we've seen phenomenal results in terms of the interest levels of students improving towards mathematics. So NumberNagar Clarity Kit for you. Let's say you want to introduce numbers, counting, addition. So we have a component which uses magic. We call it the quick sum. So how do you quickly add 5 numbers, 5-digit numbers? So there's a toy for it. And we want to explore mathematics through the place value system. So we have a place value toy, which will help you how to find place value of number with decimal, without decimal. So that's another thing. And counting, missing numbers. There are topics like permutation and combination. So it's the same element, right? You can use this in grade 1 as well as you could use it in grade 8 and above, right? So why we do this at NumberNagar is we believe that instead of giving too many components to clarify concepts, if we could limit the number of components but increase the possibility of using the component, that shows the creativity of the student and the teacher. So for the child, it's going to be every time they look at a single toy, they're going to look at how else can I explore, what else can I do with this, right? So let's look at this. Apart from numbers, we have shapes. So that helps you with basic polygons, right? From triangle all the way up to decagon. Then circle, of course, how to find the area of a circle. And also the same toy can be used for fractions. We've introduced conversion of decimal to binary system using a magic. So we call this the window magic. And see, the best part of the Clarity Kit is for each and every component that you're going to see, there is a corresponding video on how to use it. So you don't really need to look for the manual and try and understand the language. You can see how this can be used and how it could be used as a multi-purpose tool. So we have videos which will tell you how to exactly use this for a particular concept, as well as what other things you can do with this. Okay, so this is about binary conversion. Then we have algebraic expressions and equations, right? So we are introducing arithmetic, algebra, geometry, all of that. Then we have specific theorems on circles. So you could explore the theorems on circles. Then triangles and quadrilaterals. So we have triangles and quadrilaterals. You could do that. Okay. And puzzles. So these are some of the, let's say, most intriguing part for the kid. So they want to explore puzzles. They want to use it as a tangram. What you have here is a Pythagorean puzzle. So you could prove Pythagoras theorem by solving this puzzle. How to do it? You'll have to watch the video on this. Then summation of numbers. What is 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4, 5 plus 6 plus 7 plus 8 up to n? So why is it n into n plus 1 by 2? So there's a geometric proof of that particular concept. And then we have our famous star magic. So this helps recognition of numbers, then finding numbers, converting numbers to binary. So that's one of the concepts that we are exploring using this. There are tangram pieces with which you solve puzzles, and using quadrilaterals how to create different shapes. So the connectivity aspect of this. So talking about connectivity, the whole design of NumberNagar Clarity Kit actually is based on the 5C approach of NumberNagar. Right? When I say 5C, we are talking about curiosity, clarity, connectivity, communication, and competence. So basically, if you've seen, most of these would have already, kind of risen a little bit of curiosity in your mind, like, okay, what else can I do? Right? That's where we start. And then you have the videos which will help you clarify all of that. And then we will help you connect all these tools to the classroom concepts that you're teaching or the child has to explore, right? At this time, you could also see that if somebody is already using homeschooling as an approach, the parent can actually explore the kit, right? So that is how we have thought through for the Clarity Kit. And we have another element which actually creates a grid board. So this becomes a geo board. To start with, this can also be the first place where your child starts writing numbers. You know, that's how deep you can actually go. This is one part of it. We also have concepts like a plus b plus c the whole cube, which can be explored using our toys. So we have given around small pieces like this, which you could use in stages, right? So there are 27 pieces. So using those 27 pieces, you could put together a plus b plus c the whole cube, which means you could do it in stages also, like a plus b the whole square, whole cube, and then a plus b plus c. So that's left to the creativity of the teacher, how much of concept they want to do, even for the children to go and explore, right? And about 3D solids, so there are toys which will help you find the total surface area of a cylinder in this case, okay? And then we also have scales. We put in scales so that you could introduce the quadrant systems, right? The Cartesian coordinate system for them, or how to convert a number from decimal to base 5 system or a base 3 system. So the scales help you do it. For fractions, decimals, and percentage, so there's a scale. So basically, every concept that you are trying to teach in the classroom, there is an activity that you could do with the kit. And the best part, as I told you in the beginning, there are only 26 components and you could do 200 plus activities with them. What better thing you want? A small package with so much to offer. So what are you waiting for?